Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle at Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Friday, January the 12th, 2024. And we have three irregular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the killer Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will do in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you there's a protest here in this city. People protesting pro-Palestine, but also anti-Palestine. Yeah. Well, interesting. Here in the Netherlands, and still the war is continue. Yeah. All right. 4-star Sudoku number 7785. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Usually, the 4 stars has 24 printed digits, and this one has, yeah, you guess it. 24 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1 2. We have here 2 3s. We have here 4 4s. All right. We have here 3 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? That's the question. Well, no. Interesting. No. Well, then we have a pair here. The 5 and the 6 in this column, the 5 and the 6 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left, the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. Alright. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left of the 2 should be there. 1. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. 4. 4. Alright. And now, need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Let me think. Once you need a 3 here, need a 6 here. 3, 6, and the 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 3 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, okay. 5. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Now, need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. And I need a... Well... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this last row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. The 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left with the 6 should be there. Need a 6 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5. Should be there. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row. 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 2, need a 2 there. Okay. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Oh wait, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. With all the 6s, no. Need the 6s there. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left now. In this big square for us, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. Let me think. Well. 293. About these 3 missing numbers in this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3. 2, 3. That means we have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 9 then. 9. Okay. 7. Alright. Need a 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 7 here, and I need a 7 there. That means I need a 7 here. Okay, this should be the 7 then. How about need a 4. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 there. Then need a 1 here. 5, 4, need a 6 there. Well. Could be 7 here. 7, 3, and 8. 7, 3, and 8. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Need 8 here. 1, 7, 9. 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in the first column, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. Need a 1 there. Okay. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and then 9. Okay, 7, 9, and need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 7 in the last row, the 1 and the 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1. Okay. And we have also the 4. Yeah. We have a pair again, the 1 and the 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. And look, we have 1 and the 4 in the last column, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 3 missing numbers in the middle row. 1 of the missing number in the middle row is number 7. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this column, last column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in the middle row should be there. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2, 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last third row, no 9 there. 9 in the first row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Alright. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For the 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. So one number left here, then it should be the 8 should be here. Okay. Well. Yeah, also 2 missing numbers in the third row. I believe the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Here also 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this big square. So this box should be a 2. And that box in the last column should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 6. Okay. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the second row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For us, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.